Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. To my old subscriber, you are highly welcome. I really love you guys. You guys are really wonderful. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn up the notification bell so anytime I leave a video to notify you first. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you make your quick packing gel in just 5 seconds. I said 5 seconds. How to make your quick packing gel without going to salon, without spending your money outside. You can just do it by yourself at home. So let's go there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. I'm going to do my hair. Guys, I'll be using 2 different hair to make this my packing gel, and I'll still be using this. So let's go with this first. Right now I'll just go ahead, make sure I for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.